Guys, for today's video guys, padulog na po may sa Kibalabag na sa Katihan Eco Park. Yan. Ang mga lagan. Ay, magpa-picture sa tabi.
Uy, lamig eh.
Correction ni gani nga.
Ay, lamig eh.
Mingaw na rin to.
Mingaw? Uli na.
Dali, rubira ko na kay
Mga
magka-finish yun.
lagan. Naniot ko namin guys, kag ipang kapoy namin no. Panggutom na. Yung mga sa me before padulong sa Katihan. Ayan, mga busog na guys, no. Naihapit med diri sa malay-balay kay nga kay gutom na kaayo. Ayan guys, pasulod na may karo.
You carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get a chance to walk beside your wandering hand. She hums a tune I've never heard.
So guys, nalalim karon sa Katihan Eco Park no, and nag-stop me diri guys sa ilang restaurant and at the same time reception no, para magbayad mi sa among entrance fee. So 250 daay guys per head no sa mag-camp diri guys. So napod sila yung mga rooms no kung gusto mo mag-rooms, pero kami mas ginahan mi mag-tent para ma-feel gid nimo ang camping vibes diri guys. Ayan guys, so mauday ni siya ang view diri no, grabe gid siya katsara guys. Relaxing kayo ang view guys na ug tugnaw pagit kayo diri guys. Nindot kayo diri mag-unwind, no, worth it guys.
You carry the sun in your stride.
Ayan guys, mag-set up nami sa among tent no, ug niabot nami diri sa Katihan guys. So, ayan. Papo kayo diri ang view.
If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh,
Gwapo po ilang kwarto oh.
the world is your own.
Kwarto guys, oh. Set up na mo no. Ayan.
Dali na mo dali mapagod dali sis.
I don't take that step today.
So manamig set up guys no. Ayan. Mag-init ng kape kay tugnaw kaayo. Sugod nagkurog-kurog. Ni mga pisa mi naginiting guys kay ipangtugnaw mi. Padaro na daw nato. Guys, sugod lagi ka tugnaw no. Tugnaw na kay hangin guys, ni lagi namo mag-jacket.
Dahil na hindi ilang palitan. Sarado lang ko na.
Moves like a map with no borders.
Sa Cagayan pa na. Malayo eh.
Sits at the corner cafe with a notebook and she's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane.
Good evening. Busy kayo guys atong kitchen department oh. Kitchen department guys. Busy kayo.
Oh, travel.
Kaya na kung isa ano.
Tama.
Bigay fags bay.
I hold inside if I don't
Gwapo kayo siya. Gwapo kayo tanaw, no? Hi! Oh, gwapo.
to walk
Bilis daw lumabas yung mga ito. At ang light ng dami nila.
Endorse na.
Oh, wala. Subok na tali.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow.
She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my feet. The time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, travel,
Si Uklaw kanina.
you carry the sun.
Ano lang siya ng dead lang.
Leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today,
Hala pa, oh. Ang akong lens ka ng garas na
maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood
Mga pita.
afraid
Mga
of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll
Philippines.
never see your
Ayan
smile.
guys, init na ang among pagkaon. No? Gabi pa kadaghan guys. Pwede pa may ugma mangulian eh. Lami kaayo oh. Pambansang kuan. Recipe ni Maymay. May nalagi na. Be. Mga unta everyone. Kaon everyone. Busy kayo. Good morning Philippines. Namit gid namit. Namit gid.
Boots at the corner cafe.
Lingaw sila sa ilang adventure. Sige, go!
She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride. What I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering hand.
Wala na kayo.
Pamakat to.
Ano kita nakatilawan natin na bili? Wala ko pa rin yun eh.
Diha pa video niya.
She hums a
Tapos na ang
tune
bakasyon.
I've never heard.
Ang sada uli. Ay, so cool di ako bisa kasi mana dire.
She writes down cities
Finish
on
na.
her wrist and dreams she'll never keep.
Tulis. Wala na.
Miss my cue,
Muna guys, kaya mangulit namin no. Karong taon-taon pagkahapon guys, mangulit namin.
but time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh,
guys.
Carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your